of the radius is r has moment of inertia I. That means the moment of inertia of the solid sphere is a 2 by 5 mass into radius ka square. Now it is melted into a disc. Then the disc का thickness t है and the moment of inertia about the tangential axis, this axis, and we know about this axis. Disc का geometrical axis perpendicular to plane के about half into mass into radius square, and the about the tangential axis is a 3 by 2 m by 2 r square plus mr square, that is a 3 by 2 mr square. And here given that the 3 by 2 mr square, the moment of inertia of the disc is equal to the this solid sphere. So both the having mass same, so it is 2 by 5 m r square. Mass cancel with the mass, then it is a small r equal to 15, that is a 4 r square, but the r is equal to under root of 4 by 15 capital R. So the first option is correct. Condition: two identical rings are attached, or both are mutually perpendicular. That means the axis, this axis is perpendicular to the plane of the first ring, and this is in the plane because it is mutually perpendicular, both are at the 90 degree. So we can say the first one, the moment of inertia of the first upper ring is mr square ig, and the shift कितना करना है r, so it is a mr square, first ring का mr square plus mr square, so it is total is a 2 mr square of the first ring. सेकंड का इसके पैरेलल ig जो कि इसके डाया के अबाउट होगा, और इसे शिफ्ट कितना करना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, द शिफ्टिंग डिस्टेंस इज a 3r, and this is a parallel to this one, इन दोनों के पैरेलल, that is half mr square. So सेकेंड रिंग का क्या हो जाएगा, इट इज़ हाफ ऑफ mr स्क्वायर प्लस m इंटू 3 का होल स्क्वायर मीन्स 9 mr स्क्वायर. So the 9 plus 2 11 and half, so total moment of inertia is 11 and half, 11.5 m radius square. So the correct option is the fourth one. On the left hand side is a solid hemisphere, and in the right hand side is a hemispherical shell, and that is a sphere, and we want to find the total moment of inertia. इंडिविजुअल सभी का मासेज m by 2, दोनों का मासेज सेम है, सो द टोटल मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज फॉर द सॉलिड स्फीयर द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के अकॉर्डिंग इट इज़ 2 by 5 मास इनटू रेडियस स्क्वायर, रेडियस इज r and the mass is m by 2, as well as the second is 2 by 3, again mass into radius का square, radius is r and mass is m by 2. So it is total is m by 2 r square, it is 2 by 5 plus 2 by 3, so it is 15, 6 and 10 16 multiply by mr square by 2, and 2, the total moment of inertia is 8 by 15. So correct option is the first one. Diagram, it is a uniform disk of mass is a capital M and radius is a. Then moment of inertia about the xy, the ig is in the plane, and that will be the 1 by 4, ig is 1 by 4 mass into radius square, and the m into, here radius is a, radius is given, that is a, so ma square plus mass into perpendicular distance is a by 2, so a by 2 ka square, a square by 4, so the ixy or I which is given is a ma square by 2. Now we want to find the moment of inertia about this axis which is perpendicular to plane and passing through the O. Therefore the ig is a I dash is a Ig plus md square. Ig is a m radius ka square divided by 2, as well as this perpendicular distance is a by 2 and a by 2 ka hypotenuse, it is a by root 2 is a perpendicular distance, so it is a mass into a by root 2 ka square, a by 2, so it is a ma square. In the second situation, I dash in terms of I is a, what is the value of ma square? Ma square is a twice of I, so correct option is third one. of इक्वल हाइट, दोनों का हाइट इक्वल है. एक वुडन बीम जिसका लेंथ L है, both are at the distance L by 4 and L by 6 from the nearest end of the road, and the ratio of the normal reaction. So we can say it is a simple normal on each. Suppose on the first person is N1, on the second person is N2, and the center of mass is a, at the midpoint it is mg. Then the distance from the end is L by 4, so this distance is also L by 4, and this distance is a L by 6, means this distance remaining is a L by 3 from the center of mass to this one. Then from point C के about torque लेते हैं, that will be 0. So the torque due to N1 is equal to torque due to N2, because one of them is a clock और anti clockwise, दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे. So N1 और N2 का perpendicular distance from the C, it is L by 4 and that is L by 3. So N1 by N2 is a simply 4 by 3. So correct option is the third one.